Alright guys, there is Liberty. No, she's not dead. She's relaxing. It's been very hot out lately, and she is inside just chilling. See there, she's moving, but she's hot and she's trying to stay cool. But anyways, old Liberty, well, she's been escaping. It's funny because when Look gets here in the morning, she'll just be sitting outside waiting for her to come. You know, with the gate and the open crate, you know, the open gate here, she looks out, she sees things, and she wants to get out, and she wants to play. So, like I said, she's gotten out now a couple times, but cats find their way home. They know where they're being fed, and they know they're home. So, it is what it is. I think next week I'm going to take her up, get her shots, and so she has all her shots and everything. But anyways, that's what old Liberty's doing. As you can see, I'm at the shop right now. I'm feeling a little bit better, but it's funny because here in the Philippines, it's hit or miss. You can swing and hit, or you can swing and miss. It's like just like today. Look, got me some medication. It's an antibiotic. What is it? Anti what? Antibiotic. Some type of antibiotic to kill off any bacteria or infection you have in your stomach. She went up to the drugstore the other night and got it and came home. She got 2 pills for me. You're supposed to take it twice a day. Seems to be working. Like I said, I'm feeling better. And so she got me 2 pills, and then today I went to the drugstore and told them the medication I wanted, and they said, no, you cannot have it. I said, why? They said, you need a prescription for it. So I texted Lut and I said, hey, they want me to get a prescription. He said, oh no, go up to the other drugstore up here. You don't need a prescription, they'll give it to you. So I went up there, gave them the name of the medication, and they said, nope, you need a prescription for it. So I left and came back and told Lut. She said, no. She goes, I'll go up. It's probably because you're a foreigner, you know, they won't give you the medication. So then Lut went up. And Lut come back, and I said, how'd it work out for you? She said, no, they wouldn't give me the medication. But she did say to him, well, you know, they gave me the medication last night without a prescription, so why can't I get it now? And of course, you know, you get that look. But anyways, yeah, it's like 3 strikes and you're out. You know, we tried 3 times and they wouldn't give it to us, so maybe she'll try tonight again and go up there with a different person in there. But anyways, like I said, I'm feeling better. Gotta head down to Manila tomorrow. We got an appointment at the BI for my 13A, so I gotta go do that. I'll be filming that. Gotta be at the travel agent that's taking us down early in the morning, so we'll be heading down there tomorrow doing that. Plus I need to speak to another department in there about a situation. But yeah, that's what's going on today. I don't know. We'll see what happens today. Alright guys, we are going to rearrange this store. Look came up with an idea. We have the rice right here, and the rice sells. It just doesn't sell that quickly to kind of justify keep selling it. There's places up the road here, they got a lot of it, and you know, it seems like they move it a lot, but like I said, it sells just not that quickly. You can see we took it out of the bins, and now she has it in the bags here. But now, look, what were you saying? What do you want to do? What is your new thinking? My new thinking? Yes, when it comes to...
I would like that rice to be finished first, and then the money of the rice will be goes to alcohol.
Yeah.
Ready for it, because like if I was like computing it earlier, like I was thinking last night, like alcohol moves faster, and then like the rice sell, but you can't get a lot of it. Like if I think like I was holding pen, I was like, how much you profit in one box. It's just 200 pesos, which is
But the rice sits there.
yeah.
So in order, right.
Yeah, rice sells, but it take like a little week or more than that. Before,
Takes a few weeks for one bag to sell, and there's only 200 profit in there, where
which is alcohol
sells.
sells. Like
Right.
I can make that like 4 cases for 2 days.
Right, and the
Like-
profit off of alcohol for a case.
It's like 86.
So in 2 days you can move how many cases?
Depends.
Depends. Sometimes you can
Depends.
sell
Some
out.
people, like yesterday, but I don't have it no more.
Right.
So I need to sell them like I don't have it.
Like you can sell out a couple cases of beer in a day.
Yeah.
And that's how much profit in a couple
86.
cases? So you're
Yes.
looking at what? That's just alcohol.
This is
That's just Red Horse.
yes.
That doesn't include sodas and things.
Sodas, like you sell sodas a lot too because
Right.
it's like summer.
Right.
Like Coke, like everything.
And
When it comes to
juices.
yes.
Yeah.
And also like cigarettes.
So it's more profitable to have. You're going to take the money from the rice and just buy more alcohol
Yes.
and more soda and more juice. So that way, you have more here. We're going to buy a cooler
Yeah.
and stick some of the
Because
some
I
of
was
the.
thinking that too. Is it more to be saved when you get the new ref or just brought the collar and buy the ice? Because I was like asking to these people at the store and everything what they would do, and they said it's more better. You can save more if you get the collar and just put ice on it.
So put ice in the cooler instead of getting a bigger refrigerator, because bigger refrigerator is more electric, right? So throw it in a cooler with ice. Ice will last, what, 3 days? 4 to 3 days, and go from there. Plus, if we have it in a cooler, we won't have to open that refrigerator as much.
Yeah.
So we're not losing the cool, but that's what we're thinking, and we'll probably be doing that here shortly. Plus, wants to hang more product up here.
Yeah,
And,
I just like put like kind of, I'm just thinking to put like kind of like a basket just to put in there. And then I put like all this stuff over here so they have this organized. And this the other side is all like chips and the
Right.
snacks and everything so they get organized. Because right now I was planning to like pull this back up, like
Right.
make it more. Because this stuff was more sell than like this. Like mostly like Lacme and everything, like laundry soap, coffees,
Right. And not only that, but we're still profiting. The money we just paid the rent, the electric, and the water, and it's still out of profit.
I still save some money.
And she's still saving some money, so
I won't gonna have a store if I can't
right,
save money.
right. No need to have a store at this point. If we were losing money, we would do something else. But she's still making money enough to pay the rent, the water, and the electric bill, and also have money in her pocket. And now that school is coming up, she grabbed some school supplies. I mean, school's not for another month or so, but if they know we have, right, right,
give you more like give you low price, then they have this color already.
right. She gets a better price now on school supplies because school hasn't started yet. Plus, a lot of people will start buying a little bit here, a little bit there, because they don't have the money to buy everything all in one shot. And if they know we have school supplies, they'll be here. But anyways, that is what's going on in the store. I haven't been here in a couple days. Like I said, I haven't been feeling well, but Luda's been doing very well and everything has been selling. So that's just a little update on the store. All right, so I'm home now, as you can obviously see. Let's stop the store, but it was good to get out. Like I said, haven't been out in a few days, but not feeling well. So today I get out, didn't want to push it, hung out at the store for a while. Subscriber Mike and his wife stopped by. Mike's the guy that brought me the tasty cakes. Him and his wife stopped by. He's in the Philippines for a week. He leaves at the end of, I think at the end of this week, but it was great to see him and meet him, the face behind the tasty cake. Anyways, just gonna sit home and relax. I've been tracking the FedEx for the car part online. The last update I get, it was in Anchorage, Alaska, and that was yesterday, Tuesday's update. So crossing my fingers, that's supposed to be here Friday. Tomorrow we got a big day heading down to Manila. Like I said, I'll be filming that, but I'm gonna wrap this one up and call it a day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.